Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how we can use the new Claude Ultra feature in Claude Opus 4.8 and how to get in the most out of it. In this case, you will absolutely need the paid version. The pro version of Claude costs $17 a month, which come out to approximately $20 with the taxes included. This way, we will be able to make use of all of these new features offered by this artificial intelligence. Personally, I love it because it streamlines a lot of process. Once you have the pro tier, head over to the Claude Code section within the same website. And as you can see, without needing to go to any other page. To use this new version of Opus 4.8, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Here you will find the Opus 4.8 option, which is the one we are interested in. Now, to get even more out of it, you can see a smaller slider that adjusts the effort level. These define how much the AI will exert itself on our project or code. We can select low, medium, high, or directly code for maximum effort. By setting it to maximum effort, the application will consume more tokens to solve the problem thoroughly. Once the slider is adjusted, simply ask Claude to generate the project you want. For this example, we'll make a relatively simple request. I need you to create code for handgun game application. I need it to be as beautiful as possible. Enter the prompt. The application will begin the process of the response. Once the development is complete, we will see the result. As we can observe, this is the final result. This time, the operation took about 13 minutes due to its complexity, since the AI structured everything from scratch with a completely new base. It generated a large number of words sorted by categories such as basketball, swimming, cycling, technology, among others. The entire development is excellently done and practically ready. Only the final touches are left for the application to fully compile it within the cloud environment. Here you can see the full breakdown of what the application has created. A moment ago, we reviewed the code on the screen, and now we just need to follow the specific series of steps to manage it and open directly from the browser.